As we come up the path here, get some early spring flowers, some beautiful cowslips. There they are, hiding in the undergrowth. Some more here. And over there. And our bluebells still haven't sprouted, we've just got the leaves. So I suspect in a couple of weeks we'll see lots of beautiful bluebells appearing. Now if we move over to our sapling beech tree, you can see that the buds are nowhere near bursting yet, and the beech and the oak are the two trees that will burst into leaf at a later date, so much later on in the springtime. And here is our hazel tree, which is really starting to green up. Those buds have been bursting into leaf over the last few weeks. Those leaves are really coming along well. Some of you might remember that hazel trees have several trunks, and they're very good for coppicing, cutting back, because they've got these lovely straight stems which are great for making things. So if you're a gardener, you can use them as poles, all sorts of different things. And if you're in forest school, they're really good for den building. So this morning in forest school we've also been looking at our holly tree, and we learnt that holly is evergreen. And evergreen means that this tree keeps its leaves throughout the winter. And we have felt the leaves. We were a little bit careful of the prickles on the side. Oh, there's a little bee. So we felt the leaves. They feel a lot thicker than leaves on deciduous trees. And they've got a kind of coating on them which protects them over the cold winter months. So they're very, very different from the flimsier, thinner leaves of the deciduous trees that we've been looking at. Something that we like to look at a lot in forest school is poo. There's loads of bird poo here, and I expect a lot of you will remember if we go up and look in the trees above, we'll know that last night, and maybe for several nights, birds have been roosting here overnight, and the sign of birds roosting is lots of bird poo on the ground below where they've been sleeping.